Okay, now we're going to answer the question, he aha tēnā. All right, I'm going to do a quick role play. Hopefully that will help a little bit easier. Okay, I've got nothing in my hand. I'm asking somebody next to me what is in their hand or what's next to them. He aha tēnā. What is that? He pēnei tēnei. This is a pen. Now the person needs to say this is a pen because they have it in their hand. They wouldn't say that. They wouldn't say tēnā. They would say this. He pēnei tēnei. All right, your turn. I'm going to ask you, he aha tēnā. I've asked you, what is that? You guys pick up a pen and you say, repeat after me, say, he pēnei tēnei. Tino pai. All right, now on the slide, I've got a girl asking a boy, what is that? He aha tēnā. And the boy is saying, he poro tēnei. This is a ball. Okay, so let's just recap. When somebody asks you something, oh, what is that? He aha tēnā. And if you've got it, or it's right next to you, you will use the word tēnei, this, at the end of the word. He, for example, he pēnei tēnei.